Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Loveliest Wishes Kit. This kit makes 9 clean and simple cards with gorgeously textured paper and pops of color. It includes patterns and floral elements to layer, as well as printed gold foil sentiments perfect for a celebration. The sentiments included are in English, French, German, and Dutch, so you can choose. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love how these card designs are created simply by layering elegant elements. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!